value of the CalCCA conference is all about getting people in a room together. There's something that the Zoom box just doesn't replicate. Being able to go into a hallway, have a conversation, build trust, build connection is just can't be done any other way. Look at the size of this ballroom. It's filled to capacity.
CCA is the quintessential grassroots movement that makes everything possible on a city level. CCAs were created for the people and by the people. They're the front runners for 100% renewable energy. They're the front runners for very creative energy efficiency in transportation and clean transportation programs in cities.
We've grown enormously, as you can see by this conference. Each year, we add more folks on. We're going to need to have our own convention center next year.
This year, I think there was ample opportunity to engage with folks, really amazing sort of in-depth panels. And I just really appreciate the opportunity to get together with my colleagues, see the staff of different CCAs really engaging with one another, learning from each other, finding out what is working in their various communities. And I think from the other standpoint, just having more and more of the industry experts and professionals here sharing their ideas, it really just gives us that opportunity to learn from each other, understand what the constraints are in the market, and then find solutions together.
I think the theme of Powerful Together is just representative of what CalCCA is all about. And I see it in action in every session here at the conference. I see it in all the networking conversations and the collaboration, the real sense of community and helping each other out. That is all part of CalCCA, and that really represents for me Powerful Together.
As a CCA family, we're always learning from each other, and we're always leveraging each other's resources and knowledge and experiences. Being able to share knowledge, what's working and also what's not working, saves all of us time, keeps us more efficient, and at the end of the day, allows us to keep our prices affordable.
I think it's almost our secret sauce that we know how to really effectively deal with challenges and continue to provide that value for our community. There's still challenges, there always will be, but I think CCAs are so well positioned to meet that very effectively and continue to provide value for our customers.
I think CCAs are an opportunity to really revolutionize energy in many different ways. I think many of the kind of obstacles that you might encounter in sort of more established energy companies can be more easily overcome. I think there's also an increased propensity to innovate and to try new things out.
We have this opportunity to work in this non-competitive space where we're all looking for each other's successes, because our successes translate directly to the consumer of our product, which is really exciting to do that. So we know that together as a municipal entities and CCAs that we can provide a better service to the public.
There's so much more to explore. We've gotten good at energy procurement. We've gotten good at programs. We need now to take that knowledge and deepen our engagement with the customer, as well as deepen our engagement in the broader energy system. If we could achieve as much in the next 10 years as we have in the past 10 years, we'd be charting a good course.
It's an amazing conference because what you have is you have a whole bunch of people that are just heads down doing amazing work within their communities to provide great power, great programs. To me, the CCA community is one of the best examples of how working together we can actually change the world from a local level.
What makes me so optimistic about the future is look at where we've come, what we've done in a short 9 years heading into our 10-year anniversary, the enthusiasm, the folks that have joined the CCAs and the energy industry that's embraced them, our partners that we're going to be collaborating with and working with. I really truly think that we can solve these problems that we face in an exciting way. We have new ideas, new spaces to go, and we have leadership to take us there.